G'day, my name's Jack Saunders. I'm a triathlon coach and endurance sport coach. I co-founded the GC Social Tri Club. One of the biggest challenges we face as swimming coaches is being able to see what happens under the water. It's really easy to see what's going on the top, but that's only half of the stroke. So it's trying to get what's going on underwater with the catch, the pull, the stroke mechanics. That seems to be one thing that we tend to struggle with. The Seavu is so easy to set up. It's got some simple clamps. You can extend it out as far as you like or have it shorter. It has the phone mount, the tablet mounts. The instructions are super easy to follow. I just found it super simple to get it out of the backpack, get it in the water and start the session. The Seavu allowed me to see what's going on underneath the water and specifically what's happening with the hands, like with the catch and the pull of the stroke, but also the body rotation, how they're kicking. I've never seen the angles that I was able to see with Seavu before. So it was actually really insightful for me and I really enjoyed the different perspective actually. So it's going to be super helpful going forward. My athletes are going to love it. I loved it. And it's just going to level up our swimming. I would absolutely recommend Seavu to every coach.